Hello kids, today we will draw pudding. So let's start. First draw a flat oval shape, like this. I'm drawing it very slowly. So let's draw with me. Well done, now draw the caramel part. Draw it wavy and curvy, like this. Draw step by step, then you will not make any mistake. Make some long and some small curvy line. Just make some curve and round shape, and it's done. Look how great it's looking. Now draw a line, like this. Now draw another line, on the other side also. Make both the lines same length. Good job, now connect both line with curved line. Just draw like me, and it's done. Look, we draw the pudding. Now let's draw a plate for pudding. Draw a big long oval shape, like this. Well done, now draw another oval shape. Make it bigger and parallel to the line. Well done, we almost complete the drawing. Lastly, draw a cute and happy face. Draw a circle, then slowly fill the color. Now draw the eyelashes, and it's done. Good job, now draw the other eye also. Do the same thing. First draw the circle, then carefully fill the color. Don't forget to draw the eyelashes. Lastly, draw a happy smile, and it's done. We complete the drawing, so let's color it. First use brown color and color the caramel part. Color the oval shape, and it's done. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Now color the wavy and curvy part also. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Look how great it's looking. Now use yellow color and color the pudding. First color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Color the wavy part also. Just color up and down, and it's done. Make sure not to color the eyes. Color the outline, then carefully fill the color. Look how beautiful it's looking. Color the other side just like this. Good job, we complete the pudding. Now use orange color and color the small oval shape. Do the same thing. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Look, we color the melted caramel. It's looking very tasty. Now let's color the plate. Use sky blue color and color the outer part. Color the outline, then slowly and carefully fill the color. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Just slowly fill the color and don't make any mistake. Well done, we almost complete the drawing. Now use white color and make the pudding shiny. First draw a big circle, then fill the color. Now draw another white circle, but make it small. Good job, now draw a circle on the other eye also. Now draw a curvy line on top of the pudding. Now draw a long line on one side, like this. Lastly, draw a small curvy line on orange part also. Good job, we complete the drawing. You know what? Pudding is very delicious and tasty treat, and I love to eat pudding. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.